welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. So, like in today's video, we have another unboxing. And let me check right here. Okay, here we are. This is what she looks like. She is a towel box. So if you would like to see what I got in the mail today, make sure you stay tuned. And if you enjoy content like this and you're still not subscribed, this word right here is red. It should be gray. Turn that bell on all the way up. That way you get notified for any and every video I upload. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up on the way out. I hope you stick around. I have much more content to come ahead. And my beauty squad, so you decided to stick around. And if you're not a beauty squad member, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, please. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm stoked for this unboxing. Are y'all ready to see what I got? Let me show you the brand first. Gerard Cosmetics. Whoop, whoop. Yes. Cannot wait to try out some of these products. I've heard really good things about Gerard Cosmetics. The only thing I did not get and I really want to try is the lip liner and the clay canvas. I really wanted that, but I couldn't. I had to get what I could get for right now, and then maybe later go back and get some more. Fingers crossed, because this thing's promising. It got here super quick. So far, that's a negative I can say about receiving it. It was, you know, all above time. I wasn't supposed to really get it until Monday. I got some of it.
Put that over there for me, please.
I was supposed to receive it Monday. I received it Friday. So I received it 4 days ahead of time. Super fast. Well packaged. Like I said, I mean, I didn't really get too much of anything that could mess up. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Buttercup Bullet Lipstick. That's the shade right there. Can you please stop watching me? That's what it looks like. I can't stand that, baby. That's what she looks like on top of the MAC lipstick. This is Velvet Teddy Bear. Feels really soft. Feels really moisturizing, as you can tell right there. And there are a lot of bullets are more mattified and more they dry down and start to crack. So I would really like just to see how this formula works. I'll get more here. Sorry. Then we're getting on bigger up. The Gerard Cosmetics Face Palette, which is a Scarlet palette. I love this packaging. It's so cute. It's so sleek. You got 2 blushes and 1 bronzer. You got Wifed Up Blush, First Class Brush, and Forever Bronzer. So this will be the bronzer, and then these are the 2 blushes. The bronzer kind of is popping up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm having to like kind of push back down. But I mean, that's kind of expected and manufactured. It's really nobody's fault. And as long as I don't pop up and break, I don't care. Now, I went in and kind of heavy-handed with it, just so y'all can see the pigment. Beautiful, like, beautiful shades. I want to see how they blend out, though, because we don't go in hot-handed like that with our blush. But, you know, you get what I'm saying. I will do a full review on them. Most definitely. Beautiful colors. Just keep in mind, if they are not your colors, per se, as blush or bronzer, you can always use them as eye colors. Makeup is what you make it. Now, for the winter chicken dinner and this little bundle, the whole reason why I got this bundle, y'all know who it is. None other than Richlux. He also has on the back the reason why he wanted to partner up with Gerard Cosmetics. You know, that they believed in him before anyone else. They connected. They had a lot of similar characteristics. I absolutely adore Richlux. First and foremost, I think he's hilarious. I think he spills the tea without attacking anybody, and it's really important if you're going to do something per se like that. Me, myself, I stay the hell out of drama. I don't too much care for it. The only one I will watch is Richlux. Like, I only watch Richlux if I watch anything about tea spilling. Just because I don't want to be biased, and me sit on this platform and me having a voice. I know I'm micro, bitty. I'm only at 1,000, but I don't ever want to get influenced by somebody else or something else regarding to a product or a company or what have you. And a lot of times with the tea spilling channels, you can kind of get sucked into it. So, yeah, the only one I will watch is Richlux. Like, go check out my subscriptions. This is the Busted the House Ice Cream Shack. Freaking adorable, right? Then she opens up like this. It says, I love you so much. Richlux. On the other side, it just says Slays All Day. Right here, you got your directions. Your old setting sprayer was a good woman, but she was a liar. You will be filling the ice cream fantasies with all new set hooray spray before and after applying makeup. You will not be bothered whenever drama interrupts in the community. They are sure to be shook by your makeup look. Don't be a Poindexter and spray in your eyes, or you might get wonky lash clock in the house. Love it. And made in USA. I love that. And then you have the ingredients over here. Cruelty free for y'all that must know. So you get 2 fragrances, but 3 sprays. You get a baby mint chocolate chip. You get a Big Daddy chocolate chip and a Big Daddy dreamsicle. These are 3.38 ounces of 100 milliliters. And then the baby is 1.1 ounce, 30 milliliters. So this will be a good pop it in your purse. Gotta run, need spray, you know, if you're out at work all day or you're out and about and you just want that reassurance and you don't have a huge pocketbook, that would be freaking phenomenal. Now, another thing I like about these sprays that I've already seen, like, even without opening them, is the spray bottle itself. I don't know, I guess it's because I'm cheap and I'm used to not, like, having a lot. But I like reusable items. That's just preference of mine. And these unscrew and you can reuse them. So say if you like how the sprayer is on these, you can always reuse it for another setting spray or whatever. You can use this, clean this up really nice and use it for your hairspray, whatever, but they're reusable. So I love that. This is Dreamsicle. Oh, it smells really good. Me and my daddy love Dreamsicle. So this right here will always be cherished just because my dad is gone. It's been close to 5 years come February. And this was his favorite ice cream. This was one of my favorite ice creams to eat with him. And just smelling it now brings back so many memories. See that sprayer? Woo! Like, y'all don't even know. This is the mint chocolate chip. Love the color. Like, oh, it smells so good. I kissed the bottle. So, mister, like, that's a straw mister. So, and I sprayed it in my freaking eyeball. What did the box say? The box said, don't be a Poindexter. That was a Poindexter, and I sprayed it in my freaking eye. I really like both of the scents. I like the sprayer. I just got to be meanful and, like, hold it back, because it is, like, a strong sprayer. But those strong sprayers, they be working it because they stay true to duty for a longer time than the lighter ones. Some of the ones that are light mist, I have to go in and kind of clean up the nozzle after a while because stuff gets clogged into them because they're so little. Sorry, I'm putting all this stuff back. Y'all know me and my organization don't have none back here. Right here, I like to have a little bit. Absolutely love it. Richlux, you did such a great job with this collab. I know I'm like so freaking behind, like a year behind, but better late than never, right? I'm really, really excited. I'm so glad I got the house. I love little aesthetics like this to keep. It's a good keepsake. This is my little receipt. Yep. Yeah, like the 14th, and it got shipped on the 16th, and I got it by the 20th. Yep. So it was super fast, guys. I'm so grateful that it got to me as fast as it did. And again, like I said, cute, 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 cute. Could not go wrong. I absolutely adore it. I will leave the link to the company down below. So if you have not had a chance to check out some Gerard Cosmetics, go check them out. They're not too bougie, the house where you can't afford nothing, but they're not too inexpensive either. They're kind of more like in the middle. You know, a lip gloss, a lip liner is like $16. You know, the sprays are like $30. Like, they're not too inexpensive, but they're not too expensive. Got me? Feel me? Now this right here, this whole bundle was only $59. It retailed for $89. So it was a great deal to get to try out both of the sprays. They do now have the Dreamsicle and Mint Chocolate separate. So if you just want to buy the sprays, you can. But I really enjoy Richlux. I really want to support him as a creator, as a, you know, as a consumer, me purchasing items. Like, I adore everyone on this platform that has worked their ass off to get to where they're at. And he is one of them. Like, so hooray. I am so glad to have this setting spray. Great collaboration. Like I said, sorry for being late. Baby, really? Y'all about to see Mario get beat up. But yeah, I like it. Can't wait to try out the face palette. Can't wait to try out the lip product by itself. Now, it does transfer. Just be wary of that. But it did not say mattifying or anything, or, you know, transfer proof. Just saying. But I like to keep y'all updated with certain things. I will try it out by itself. I do want to go back and get some clean canvas as soon as I'm able and afford, like, as soon as I can afford to. I'm going to go back and get the clean canvas and a lip liner and probably a lip gloss. So I have everything that they've created and do what I could do as trying them all out. I like that setting spray just touched a moment in my heart that I would never ever forget because of my dad and the ice cream. And oh my God, I didn't expect that. So thank y'all for that moment. And until the next one. So bye. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. What you waiting for?